Wait, let me show you an amazing magic before we talk about anything else. So here on my screen you can see lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I'm going to make a form submission to generate a test lead in my Facebook lead ad. So this is my lead form where I've already pre-filled some details such as the skin type, first name, last name, email address and the phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead. So let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see instantly we have received a new data in our Google Sheets with all the lead details such as the name, email, phone number and the skin type. And not only this, I have also received an instant SMS on my phone that my lead is going to receive. So let me show you the screenshot of the SMS. So this is the screenshot of the SMS that I have received on my phone that says, sent from your Twilio trial account. Hi Tess, thanks for showing interest in natural glow skincare. Discover a natural range made for glowing healthy skin. So this is the instant SMS that my lead is going to receive whenever they are going to make a form submission through my Facebook lead ad. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand that how you can add your Facebook lead ads data in Google Sheet and instantly send an SMS to that lead using an SMS sending application that is Twilio. So to build this connection, I will connect my Facebook lead ad with my Google Sheet and an SMS sending application that is Twilio by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I will click on sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my different applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now given over here. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box is appeared in front of us. So it is asking us to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give the name as Facebook leads to Google Sheets plus SMS automation made easy. And then it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here, if you wish to learn that how you can create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, then you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I'm running my Facebook lead ads for my business, so I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account and then I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for your account details such as the username and the password. And once you're going to add all the details, then automatically your Facebook account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. And then it is asking me to select the page name and the lead gen form. So for the page name, let me take you back to my Facebook, and here you can see the page that I've created with the name Natural Glow Skin Care. So I'm going to select that particular page over here from this drop down, and here for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here under lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've already created with different names. So in this particular case, I'm going to use my form that I've created with the name Natural Glow Lead Form. You can create your own form as per your requirement. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate another test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate one more test lead in our Facebook lead ad, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. So now again I'm going to select my page that I have with the name Natural Glow Skincare and my product as lead retrieval, because I'm going to generate a lead over here, and here I'm going to select my form. Then here I'm going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead form, and again I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So I'm going to select a random skin type, and here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to add a random phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, click continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the skin type, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead detail through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets first in order to organize all my lead details at single place. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my app event as add a new row. Then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward, and then it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select that particular sheet, and then it is asking me for the sheet. So I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1, and then it is asking me to enter the name, email, phone number, and the skin type. So basically these are the fields fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the lead's last name. And here for the email address, I'm going to map the lead's email address. Here I'm going to map the phone number, and lastly I'm going to map the skin type. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added all the details in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail where we have received the name, email address, phone number, and the skin type of our lead. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here, after adding the details in my Google Sheet, what I want is that instantly an SMS should be sent to my lead on their phone number using an SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Twilio and my app event as send SMS message. Then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Twilio account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the account SID, authorization token, and account SID once again. So now here to get all these details, let me take you to my Twilio account. So this is my Twilio account, and here under account info you can see the account SID, authorization token, and my Twilio phone number. So for now I'm going to copy both of these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so I have successfully added all the details, and then I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward, and here it is asking me to enter the body of the SMS. So I need to enter the body of the SMS that I want to send to my lead whenever I'm going to receive a new lead form submission through my Facebook lead ad. So let me add the body of the SMS. So this is the body of the SMS that I've entered, and here I've used a variable in the place of name because here I'm going to map my lead's first name. So this is my lead's first name, so I've mapped it over here, and here you can see the entire SMS that says, "Hi, lead's name. Thanks for showing interest in natural glow skincare. Discover a natural range made for glowing and healthy skin." And then it is asking me to add the sender number. So it says the approved sending number in your Twilio account. That means that I need to add my Twilio phone number. So I'm going to directly add it over here. So this is my Twilio phone number, and then it is asking for the recipient number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this message. So I'm going to map my lead's phone number over here. So this is my lead's number, and now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive an SMS over here. So let me add my own number. Alright, so here I've successfully added my own number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent an SMS on my phone number. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I have received. So this is the screenshot of the SMS that I have received on my phone that says, "Sent from your Twilio trial account. Hi dummy, thanks for showing interest in natural glow skincare. Discover a natural range made for glowing healthy skin." So this is the automated SMS that I have received, and here my SMS contains a statement that is sent from your Twilio trial account. Because here I am using a trial account, but if you are using a paid account, then your SMS will not contain any such statements. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. And now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets and Twilio, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead detail is going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row, and after that instantly an SMS is going to be sent to our lead on their phone number via SMS sending application, that is Twilio. Alright, so these were the steps to how to connect your Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets plus an SMS automation. I hope hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.